Welcome back to Trip and China's Acres. I wasn't going to do an interim video, but since I've become Grandpa Chip, our daughter Katrina and her husband Brian had their son James Nathaniel Foster last night on the birthday of my father's mother, Catherine, who's also known as Kosh. I thought I would show you some of these logs. Some people have questioned why I wasn't doing all this work. These are pretty sizable logs. As an example, here's my hand. The base of this guy is damn near 4 foot across. This is the property on the other side of the creek over by Pedro and Liz's. This will probably get filled in with cattails. It's kind of an overflow area should the creek go. Take you on over to the other side of the creek, show you what's been going on over there. There's the grove right there, and of course the Pine Lodge and the Hotel Lamoille down that way. The creek is flowing nicely. Got a little cleanup to do in there. All this was inaccessible before, unless you went right down the creek. Gotta clean out the fishing hole. And for those of you that remember, this was the beach area, right in here. So our trail used to go up here. Through this little swale and up to there, but now we have full access down to the creek. The hammock used to hang from the tree that was there. The crabapple has been trimmed down, but there's still a few apples on there. Another idea of the size of these pieces of wood. That's probably a couple 100 pounds. We actually extended our contract for 3 more days, so that we can get to the back where there are 2 more apple trees. It would be best if we got them trimmed. The green gauge plum here was trimmed. Pretty happy with that. The big apple tree over on the other side of the sheds was trimmed. And we used to have just a small path around the creek here. Go through this brush. So we're back at the creek. But now we'll have machine access to the back here. So this has all been cleared. That'll all be gone. This is back in the mahjong area. Moved the tomahawk throwing board out of the way. It used to be about right in there. And these are the two apple trees. We actually got most of our apples this year off of them. And then we have a bunch of different kind of, I think they're hackberry trees back there. Whole orchard of them that we'll probably do a little work with later. Anyway, hope y'all are having a great day. The sun's starting to come up here in beautiful Lemoyle, Nevada. And we'll be talking to you soon, hopefully.